Hi guys, it's me again. I heard that Korea updates their new features, and let's take a look at that. First thing is the generate tool, which is quite fun because we have a generate tool instead of another generate tool. So let's click and type a standing man, and this is not what I want. Yeah, this one. If you don't satisfy with it, just click the variation. Then click your right panel on your mouse on this image to remove the background. Yay, we have this functionality. Wow, this is nice. And we need to wait for a second. Okay, so we have the image like really transparency background, and we can make it bigger and enhance. So we have this figure, this character, and we can add one more. Oh, don't forget, you can also upload the image from your computer. And this time I want a huge cat. Do you like cat? I want to have a really uh, kitten, very, very huge. Yeah, and then remove the background, of course. So this is really fun. This is a really easy way to like make a creative image, right? With Krea, you don't need to have a very good Photoshop skill. And then we have a background. I don't have anything in my mind, so maybe a forest. I'm not sure. Maybe just leave it that way. I think this is okay. Don't mind the details. Yeah. And we can drag it to the good dimension, maybe. But we covered our kitten and our characters. So let's send it to the back. I mean, really, really background. Yeah, and we put the figure, put the character below, and the kitten here. Yeah. So, we need to better AI strengths. Yeah, maybe this. Oh, I forgot the prompts. Okay, sorry. A man with a huge cat. Yeah, it's like a lion. I like that. And it's already fixed some like shadows and the details already changed. So we have a 5 new style. I like this CGI style, which is really similar to the game character design, CGI, and we have the what we call the concept and portrait. Also cartoon. Let's try cartoon later. All right. Do you like this one? This is really nice, and we have it in a very fast speed, right? We have created by only 3 minutes, and we can also change this. Oh, this is amazing. Click the overlay. We have overlay mode, which is very new, and we can change the opacity of this layer. And you can click here, only shows original layers when you hover, which means you clicked. So let's click the man. Let's try, click, yeah, click him and move a little bit. Yeah. So this is a real-time editing feature. Oh, this is nice, right? We can remove or we can move the cat a little bit and it will regenerate the images. Sorry, my network is not so well, so it's not so real time, but I guess you have a better network, right? And you can relocate all the windows inside of Korea, which is really convenient. And we can change the style and you can enhance it. You can have the quick enhance, or you can send to enhancement to get the best quality. Yeah, let me try to use a cartoon filter or cartoon style. Oh, this is really like a comic book, right? This is really like the illustration from comic book. I like this. When you click the enhance, it will enhance the face and the details. So no worries if you don't think your images like have six fingers or ugly faces. Click the enhance, it will fix most of the issues. Yeah, I think this one is quite close, and maybe we call it a day. Yeah, I think this is a quite a nice new feature. I encourage you to try it by yourself. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment zone. See you next time. Bye bye.